Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Today's the opening day of trout season here in Pennsylvania. We gotta go fishing. The problem is, my old Mustang, I think I blew a fuse or something, and we're trying to change that fuse out, so it's a little bit apart right now. So
trying to find that fuse.
Yeah. So today we're gonna build an adventure bike, fishing bike. We got this old recyclables can. We're gonna mount on the back. This here is a beautimous 84 Yamaha Virago motorcycler.
What size is this motor?
750 cc's.
750.
All the cubic. She's a ripper. Got straight pipes. Got a recycle bin. Got some wire ties. We're gonna mount ourselves some fishing rod holders in here. We're gonna go fishing. We need this mainly because we're gonna stack it full of trout. So
that's the idea for today. It's kind of rainy, gloomy day.
A good one to ride the motorcycle.
We got a good trout spot we're gonna try to hit up and attach the old box for fishing gear. Gonna try to make some rod holders.
That's the plan.
Stacker with trout.
Yep.
Go put everyone to shame.
Obviously.
Do it in style.
Let's get to it.
Yes, sir.
So most people, they want to fasten something up real nice. They get the fancy clips and bolts and screws. We got ourselves some mechanics wire. We got a drill bit. Made some speed holes in it. What you want to do is you want to take your wire, feed it through, around the loop, back inside. Get yourself a little bit of a tail there. Snip it off. Grab it with your pliers and just twist it right on tight like that. And once it's tight,
ain't going nowhere.
Snip your tail off, leave a very sharp edge so you rip your hands up grabbing stuff.
That's the key.
That's how it's done right there.
Nice.
How many trout you think we'll be able to fit in this thing?
Trout? Oh, the size I catch, you probably couldn't fit more than 2 or 3 in there, but
okay.
If you're talking your kind of trout, you 40, 50.
40, oh man.
Way over the limit anyway. Huh? So I'm just trying to picture this thing going, what, 95 down the field lane. Them rods are it's gonna be some pressure on there.
A little bit. It'll be okay. It's fairly solid, I think. I mean, it's not gonna go anywhere.
It's not like just rubbing against the paint or anything.
No,
I mean,
it's.
You don't need to worry about your $400 motorcycle paint.
Nope. That's why it's a $400 motorcycle. You
yes,
have
sir.
fun with it.
Just slightly more expensive than a new windshield.
That wasn't my fault.
I don't know. Seemed like it was at least partly your fault.
So if you buy yourself a 10-foot piece of PVC pipe, it's best off just to cut it in half rather than try to wedge it into your windshield.
If you're driving a unit like this, that is. Because 10 foot of PVC pipe and 6 foot of car.
You do a little bendage and get it to pop in there, and then you sit in your seat and hear a little...
Yeah.
Next thing you know, we got spider webs crawling all over the windshield.
I gotta buy a windshield for my beater car, and who feels like putting a $300 windshield in a $400 car?
Exactly, it just don't make sense.
That makes me cross, I tell you.
I got some duct tape, we can fix her up real nice.
You gotta be careful around people like Brant. So stuff has escalated kind of quickly.
Oh yeah. Got our fishing rod holders successfully wire tied in there. Now our next plan of action.
Bait bucket.
And a bucket for the fish.
Fly rod. Ratchet strap. Sissy bar. So I just want y'all to take a moment to soak in the, I don't know what you would even call it. It's something to see. It's hard to explain. It makes you feel certain ways, but you're not sure how to describe it. But it's kind of cool.
It might stay.
Yeah, it might. You can't. I guess you can't really go up much higher than that. I don't think
really
I don't think that sucker's gonna go. Well, I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. You almost gotta stick something underneath it here.
Give it a little support.
Keep it up. So we got, what, tackle box yet? A couple more fishing rods. Set the jet. You think you're gonna get stuck in the mud on the way down to the creek?
No, not with this hog.
I mean, your tires are, wow, they're dry rotted.
They're about brand new yet.
Something tells me you were going like 100 on this thing the other day when we were riding.
I don't know if it even goes that fast.
I think it does. Wowzers, dude. You need help.
I need a big old mud tire in the back. Full out adventure bike.
Yeah, you do need knobbies on this thing. That would be cool. Slap some knobbies on here. You would be pimping.
Definitely. Well, I think we're about set to jet, so we'll catch y'all cruising on the road.
Yeah.
To the spot.
You can look at the glory of this thing traveling down the road, making everyone jealous.
They're gonna be so jealous.
They won't even know what to say.
So far, she's been doing good. Getting a little off-roading in her, headed back to the secret spot.
All right. How's the old adventure bike doing for you?
Oh, she's great. It does awesome. No wipeouts.
Nothing flew off.
Couple close calls.
Well, there's the creek.
All right, you think we got to drive down there? I think we can make it back out.
I don't know. I assume we can. There's only one way to find out, honestly.
Only one way to find out.
We kind of rainy, not too bad.
It might not be it'll be a good hill test, that's for sure.
It's very wet. Yeah. See what she got.
Let's see if we can wait out on the way down.
Going down won't be hard, but it might be a little treacherous.
Zip tied the bucket on, now we got to get it off.
Do we need the bucket at the creek? I guess.
I need my fishing rod, but I mean, yeah. I don't know.
Hey, the rain's kind of stopping all of a sudden.
Slowing down.
Fish bite, they say, when it rains or something like that. So
yeah, something like that.
I
So
don't
let's
know.
go see if they're biting.
Let's do that. I don't know about the last year we did some fishing down here. We caught a few, but we don't have as much competition because of the rain, so that part's
it's always a good thing.
If any of you fish in Pennsylvania, you know trout season opening day, it's like
The madhouse.
It's like Black Friday or something.
Yeah.
The fishing at the
Tripping
creeks.
over everybody.
Let's slam.
Let's do it. And as it goes, no slamming happened in that stream because we couldn't find a single trout. So off to the next stream we go.
Water running out of this thing. It's coming out of there. All right, to the next spot.
Well, the next spot turned out to be a whole lot of people and not very many fish. So we spent some time there, and off to the next spot we go. Well, first day of trout's going fantastic. This is our second spot. Can't find any trout anywhere. They don't want to bite.
Third spot, actually.
What?
Technically, third spot, actually.
Well, third spot, yeah. No trout. We're just either really bad fishermen or the trout on around. Check out the trout that kid's got.
Meanwhile,
Yeah,
guy catching fish bigger than him.
Yeah, I guess we need better gear. I think that's the problem. But we are currently 40 minutes away from home, and it is about to thunderstorm. So we're gonna scoot and skedaddle in the homeward direction and probably get soaked.
Probably get
very soaked.
Very soaked. But this rig did great, and it was fun ripping between spots.
It was great fun. We're gonna do this some more. We'll have to do a catfishing episode with big rods.
Well, let's get out of here. Well, we did make it home. It is lightning and all kinds of stuff. There's rain crashing down earlier. A little bit of a lull right now, but it's about to get really nasty. So, just so made it home. Wasn't exactly the best day of fishing ever, but we got us some little sunnies in here. We'll use those suckers for catfish bait once it warms up here. But thanks for watching if you watched to the end of this crazy video, and have a good one.